Good morning, sunshine. Ooh, ooh, ah.
Ducky! It's a tornado pit! Hold on tight, Snappy! Grab the vine! Hurry, Ducky! We must get the excavator! Snappy is trapped!
But Max, what about the tornado pit?
The excavator! Almost there, Ducky. Just a little further now. Peep, peep, quack. Hang on, Snappy. We're almost ready to pull you out. Hold still, Snappy. Almost got ya. Nice and easy now. Don't worry, Snappy. We'll get you out of there. Just hold on tight. Beep, beep.
Thank you, little ones.
There you go. Steady now. Just lean right here. We've got you, Snappy. Almost there, Snappy. Push hard.
Yes, you made it! Yay!
Whew. That was a close one, Snappy. But we did it!
Hang on, Snappy. We're getting you out of there right now.
Thank you, Max. I appreciate the help.
Bye-bye. Good morning, Pip. Another beautiful day on the farm. Huh? What in the... Whoa! That's... not a cloud. Is it safe? Looks like it's here to stay for a while, Pip.
We need a new home, Pip. A safe one.
Behold! our mighty building tool.
Just a little more.
Yes. We have power.
Steady as she goes. Almost there.
Whoa! Look at that dirt fly.
Perfect. A solid start for our fortress.
Good job, Pip. Teamwork.
Almost. Easy does it. Perfect.
Hold it steady, partner.
No, like this.
Whew. Not bad for a monkey, eh, Pip? Up, you.
Getting there, getting there.
Every good home needs a view. Ah, just in time for a nap, Pip. Every home needs a name. Home sweet home, Pip. Safe and sound. You know, that UFO isn't so scary now.
Well, hello there. We make a pretty good team, don't we, buddy?
That's all for today, folks. See you next time. Good morning, sunshine. Our trusty steed. Hoot hoot.
We go, Max!
Pumpkins. We need those. Ooh. Uh-oh. Not good. Must get home. Max must. Chitter. Hold on, Pip. We go. Come on, move! We're losing time!
It's really stuck, Max. Peep.
Got it! Boom! 2 lines!
Barn.
Home.
Safe home. Chit.
Good machine. Good Max.
Sleepy now.
Good job, little Pip. Apple time.
Yummy.
What a day! Chitter! What a farm! Almost done, little buddy. These carrots will be perfect.
What's that over there?
It's okay.
Oh, you're so scared. I won't hurt you.
Don't worry, little fellow. We'll help you.
Mom, it's safe here.
My home. It's warm. Got food.
Don't be scared, little guy. Come on, the garden awaits. Fresh fruit and sunshine.
Fresh water for you. Of course. You're hungry. I've got just the thing.
The best ingredients from my garden.
Just a little more. Almost perfect.
Perfect. A special meal for our new friend.
Good boy, good boy.
You're safe now, little friend.
Welcome home. Welcome home, little one.
You can't catch me!
Our home. Our family.
Another beautiful day for harvest.
Today is the day, Pippin. Big sunflower harvest. No time for snoozing.
Careful, Pippin. These are my super important, harvesting gadgets.
To the fields! Our golden treasures await! Look at them! Big, strong, beautiful! Oh, the best crop ever, Pippin! See? Just like that. Almost just like that. What was that sound? My ears are ooh, not normal. What in the corn stalks is DHAT? Whoa!
My sunflowers! NOT, my sunflowers!
Is it gone? Really gone? Woohoo!
No burn?
No. Zap damage? They're okay.
Oh, they're okay. It's all right, little farmer. Everything is okay. We're safe, and so are our big, bright friends. Woo! Close call, very close call. But nothing will stop my harvest. Not even them. All right, Pippin, time for the real work. Let's get these beauties. Yes, just like that.
Look at all this bounty. Hard work always pays off. Always.
Home sweet home, and a basket full of sunshine to show for it.
Perfect. A perfect harvest. Take that, mystery sky thingy.
Good job today, Pippin.
Good job.
Best farm. Best sunflowers. Best. Everything.